Assalamu alaikum students. Today the topic of our lecture is basic skills and landforms. We will start with section A, that is basic skills. Refer to page number 3 please. How to understand maps. Maps are basically used to highlight the exact location of certain areas of a city, country or a continent. Now, as you can see this picture, that is figure 1.1 in your book, it is showing the position of Karachi. Look here, this red dot is showing the position of Karachi, right? And this north sign, the north sign that you can see, this is used to draw a map. It is used to draw a map, and it also helps to recognize the other poles as well, that are south, which will be here, east, which will be here, and west. East will be here at this point, and this will west, right? And this is the key which helps to understand and read the map, as this red dot is showing the city. It is clarifying that which line is presenting what. This red line is denoting the international boundary, and these blue lines are the river. We are having another map that is on page number 4, and it is showing the countries in South Asia. And here also this key is helping us to understand the map, that is showing that this green part, all this green part is the countries of South Asia. This also, all these green part is showing the countries of South Asia, while this white part and these red boundaries are showing the international boundaries. These red lines are denoting the international boundaries. There is another figure that is 1.3. It is the world map, and it is showing the lines of longitude and latitude. Now here, as you can see, the lines, these lines that are coming from upward from downward are known as longitude, and the lines which are from left to right, all this is known as latitude. Now here at point A, as you can see that it is showing the north degree, 40 degree north, and the same point is showing the 100 degree west, while the equator is here at point C, at point 0, which is showing the equator. And this is the only thing which helps, these lines helps to measure the area in a clearer way. These lines are helpful. These are all the imaginary lines which helps to measure all this area which is on the world map in a clearer way and in a more easier way. In figure 1.5, the lines of latitude and longitude are present in a circular diagram. Like these are the circular diagrams, and this is the lines from latitude, and this is the lines of longitude, right? The lines coming from up to down are longitude, and the lines from left to right are latitude, right? This is clarifying the North Pole, the equator, and the South Pole as well. While here the prime meridian is shown. Here the North Pole is at 90 degree and equator is at 0 degree. Here as well the longitude is longitude 1 is showing the 30 degree east and 150 degree west. It is the North Pole, and the other poles are showing the same degrees or the other degrees, but it is clarifying the prime meridian here, and these imaginary lines helps a lot in measuring the poles. It's all for today. We'll continue with the topic of how to study and understand photographs inshallah in the next part. Do read the chapter for better understanding. Allah Hafiz.